Hello, everyone. I wanted to start off by apologizing for a couple things. First of all, I'm a little sick, so I'm sorry if I cough a couple times during this or my voice is a little bit scratchy. Um, Second, I've never done anything like screencasting before, and I don't really know what I'm doing, so if it's kind of choppy, I apologize and please bear with me. And also, I'm one of those people, I love giving speeches and I love public speaking, but for some reason, making or recording myself is really uncomfortable, so also bear with me if I'm a little awkward. Um, okay. So the app that I have chosen to use for this project is YouTube. I have chosen that one or this platform for this project because it is one of the most, if not the most popular video sharing sites worldwide, and it gives a person more ability to reach a larger audience. And on top of that, it can also be a useful website for all sorts of videos that can be used for many different career paths or options or any of that kind of thing. So, starting this class, I was kind of undecided and didn't know which career path I wanted to take, which has made this class a little bit difficult. But I did some research and I was thinking maybe going into being like a nutritionist or a dietitian, considering I am very big on working out and eating right and just being an overall healthy individual. So I'll start off with some weaknesses and strengths of YouTube. So, for some strengths, I would say YouTube is a popular website, being that it gets a lot of views and a lot of website traffic. So if you're trying to get people to see your videos, that's a really good place for it, especially considering people like me or other people may have a thing where you get on YouTube to watch a video and then you get in kind of that YouTube vortex and you just keep clicking and clicking. So the possibility of someone seeing your video is a lot higher on YouTube than it is on some other video sharing websites. It is also very user friendly. It's easy to use. My grandma knows how to use YouTube, and my niece knows how to use YouTube, so people of all ages can use it. It's not too complicated. Another benefit is that you can watch videos without having an account, because with Facebook or Instagram, to watch like Facebook Live or like Instagram Live videos, you need to have an account to be able to watch them. So that's also beneficial, and YouTube has really good organization. So if you go on to someone's account, you can click on their videos, see all their videos, and they can like label them by what they are. So it helps with organization if you do create a YouTube account and want to keep it very organized with all your videos and such. And one of the best benefits is that it's free. There is an option where you can pay for it, but it's not necessary. YouTube works perfectly. It functions perfectly fine if you just use it in its free version. Weaknesses, I would have to say, are probably ads. A lot of people don't like ads, but that's why YouTube is free, so they're also good in a way, I guess. Another thing is if you have a small fan base or don't have very many subscribers on YouTube, it may be also at the same time difficult to get your video out there. And then you have to be very careful of what you post, because even though YouTube has some restrictions of what can and cannot be posted, they don't always see it. So some people may be very impressionable, so you do have to be careful about what you post on the internet. And a little tour, if you have an account, you can click on your little picture up in this right corner, and you can go to your channel, you can switch accounts, you can sign out, you can even switch theme to dark if it hurts your eyes to look at the light color, which I do a lot when I'm watching YouTube at night. Um, and there's also the settings tab, which you can click on, and you can go to your privacy settings or your notifications, or there's multiple different things that you can do in the settings tab. And the nice thing about YouTube, like I said, it's very easy to use. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you go back to the home page, you can also go to your library, you can see the videos you've watched before, you can see the videos that you've liked, and then also if you subscribe to any YouTube videos, you'll be able to see them down in the corner. So for examples, of how a dietitian may use YouTube. I have a couple examples right here. So the first one is by a YouTube account called Eat Right, and they're basically, like it says up here, the organization of food and nutrition professionals, and they post many kinds of videos. They post videos about sustainable eating, they post how to handle a child with picky food phase, they show how to meal prep, how to set healthy goals for healthy eating habits, and just basically a lot of advice that people can go to if they don't want to actually go see a dietitian or don't have insurance to go do so. So it's just little tips to help if you want to get in the habit of eating healthy. Another example I have is from a YouTube channel that deals with people who have diabetes, because people who have diabetes need to really pay attention to what they're eating and what they're putting in their body. So with this one, in this video, this is just basically how a dietitian can help you. And it basically, especially for if you have diabetes, it's just gives you an example of what it is a dietitian does and why their job is so important. And then another example that I have is this YouTube channel by Abby Sharp. She is also a registered dietitian. She has a lot of videos that involve just different meal prep or showing people, like, for example, like if you have hemorrhoids or something, what foods you should eat and avoid when you have those, or just different kinds of like gluten-free options and just many other things. She also shows like exercises and stuff. But yeah, it's YouTube in general is just very helpful for people, actually for any kind of job, to post videos like uh just examples of what to do in that job, some tutorials, some advice, or how to get into that profession. It's overall just a very good platform, and thank you for listening. Bye.